Now I'm in Palawa, having this Tongkonan, one of the oldest Tongkonan. These are very old buildings. You can look at the structure. I think they are having some festival because they have erected this new bamboo tent. I think they are having some fiesta. Beautiful view. Yeah, these are the old Tongkongan. So here, this is one of the oldest Tongkonan. You can see the difference between this Tongkonan and this one. This Tongkonan looks new, and this is the older Tongkonan. So this area, and this is also the new one. So this Tongkonan in this area have 12 Tongkonan, and Alang, they have 16 here. So on the 20th of April, they're gonna have a wedding ceremony, and they have built all these tents for the wedding ceremony, and the wedding ceremony will be on that house. You can see some bamboo erected there. Yeah, that's the house they're gonna have the wedding ceremony there. So this is the Tongkonan where the wedding ceremony is going to be held. They are building the structure, preparing for it. I think it's about another week or two. They're gonna have a wedding celebration over here. You can see the roof is like full of plants. The structure has been more than 100 years. So we're going to visit one of those Tongkongan. Let's go. Yeah. We will see, wow, all the decoration, all the antiques.
Iya, ini barang-barang antik semua.
Oh, barangan.
Ya, itu baju perang
Oh,
orang dulu.
okay, that's the armor.
Iya, kepala.
That's the owner. Yeah. So she's explaining her collection.
180.
Oh, so this house is 180 years old.
Ya. Asli itu.
The spade. The shorter one is for the ladies. This one is for the ladies. And this is for the men, which is longer. Okay, this is where they keep the sirih leaves for chewing. This is the necklace for the ladies, made of buffalo teeth.
Yeah.
So this is for the male, the necklace for the male, made of a buffalo tooth. This is a one buffalo tooth, used for necklace as well. I have arrived in this Bunna Homestay, also one of the traditional houses. Oh, today is full moon. This is the Tongkonan where I'll be staying. So I'll bring you inside to have a look at the Tongkonan. I'll be staying here tonight. Pretty simple, but it's really traditional. So this is the other end of the house. I think I'll take you around tomorrow because it's quite dark.